Welcome to today's video. This is part 4 of our video, which I titled the Beginner's Training Guide. This is with God Forex channel, WG Forex channel. So in today's video, we are going to talk about two important things you need to know about Forex market. And this is where all what I have been discussing past will begin to make sense to you little by little. In today's video now, we are going to look into these two things, which is what you need to know. This is where you know how much you are making in the market. This is where you know how to manage your risk, your risk to reward. This is what will tell you all what you know about Forex, why trading. You get it now. Number one is PIP, and the second one is lot size. Without wasting much of our time, what is PIP? What is a PIP? I think you can see my board very well. A PIP is a smallest whole unit measurement of the difference between the bid and ask spread in foreign exchange quotes. You know, I said something about ask and bid in my last video. Yeah, I think the second or the third video. You should be able to know what is ask and bid. Bid is a price that you can sell at, and ask is a price that you can buy at. Okay, now they are saying that a PIP is a smallest whole unit of the difference between the bid and the ask spread in foreign exchange. Foreign exchange means forex market. Do you get it now? Quotes in foreign exchange quotes. You know, say in the US, for instance, now look at this place. For example, Euro USD. The euro here now is the base currency, while USD is the quote. They are talking about the different spread. We talk about spread in our previous video. I've explained to you that this is what your broker add to the price of the market. In my last part 3 video, I talk about spread. So quote now, quote means the price. For instance now, dollar is for instance now, let's say dollar is 500 naira per $1. With that is we are in Nigeria. I get my point now. So now I come and buy dollar from bank at rate of 500. Now and I sell at rate of 550. The 50 naira on it is my own spread, is my own profit, that is the spread that I do. That's what the quote is the actual price from the bank. Are you getting it now? The actual price of a thing. So the spread is your gain. So the spread is what the broker used to add to the price of the market, which is their own gain, their own profit. Are you getting it now? For example, you are buying Euro USD now. Okay, for example, Euro USD price is 1.05232. This is how to calculate a PIP. This first figure here is pipette. We call it pipette. It's just like the zero, and it's just like seconds in a clock. Just like a seconds in a clock. Okay, now let me explain this in order for you to understand it. Now you have to put down and listen to this point. Now, in the Euro USD, so P happen to be the fourth number after the decimal point. Here it is now. This is pipette or pipette. If this one now, okay, now as you can see, the pipette is now at 3. If you read now, why you are let's assume you are buying Euro USD now. If this one now reach to 10, into 10, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of this one now we make one of this one. When this one now go to 10, this one will automatically become 30. Are you getting it now? This is pip, which we calculate in Forex market. This one is just like a seconds of it. That's why we call it pipette. Do you get it now? This is pip here. So this is pip in 1, pip in 10. Are you getting it? We have those will have unit, tens and hundreds in most of us we go through as in we come across it in our primary school days. I get my point now. So this is pip in 10, pip in 100, pip in 1000, in 100, in okay, sorry, pip in 1, pip in 10, and this is pip in 100. I get my point now. The 0 now is pip in 10, in 10,000. Sorry, pip in 1000. This one now is pip in 1000, means the 0. You see it now. Let's assume now there's 1 here, 1, 2, 3. No, it's 1000. Just normal calculation now. So this one now have to be pip in 10,000. We have the pipette, pip in 1, pip in 10, pip in 100, pip in 1000, pip in 10,000. Are you getting it now? So just simple, as in simple mathematics that you need to understand. Are you getting it now? Now, let's assume you buy Euro USD at rate of this price 1.052223. Just this price here now. This is where you need to pay attention very well, because this is where you calculate your money. This is where you calculate what you are willing to lose in Forex market in a single trade. What you want to lose. This is where that's why Forex market is very important as a difference. So because some people used to ask maybe Forex market is a gambling. It's not a gambling. It's not a gambling. This is where this is one that makes Forex trading not to be a gambling, because you'll be the one to, okay, now I want to lose $1 to make $5, and you are not predicting it, you are not betting, but based on what you have learned, based on as the strategy you have gathered, that makes it to one risk $1 to make $15. Yes, it's possible. So it's possible. It's possible to risk $1 to make $15, even more. Yes, it's possible. Just like what I've said earlier, you buy Euro USD at price of 1.05223. You know, when you are buying, just like for those that have watched my previous video, when you have, if you never watch it, go and watch it. When you are buying, as in I talk about trading direction. When you hear buy, you should know that, as in you should know the direction of buy, and when you hear sell, you should know the direction of sell. In this our example now, you should know that the verb here now says buy. Do you get it now? Buy simply means that this number will increase, but if you decrease, that is not our prediction. You know that you have go against, so that's why you have stop loss. But that's not where we are going to now. When you hear buy, you should know that it's going up. Now, you buy this Euro USD at this price 1.05223. Now, and you close, and your trade closed at 1.05233. Have you now seen that these two here now have become 3? Now your profit now in this trade now, it now happens to be in this trade. In this trade now, you have make profit of 1 pip. Have you now seen now? The 1 pip difference now between, if you check difference between this price you buy and this price you close, is just 1 pip difference. Do you get it now? That 1 pip is your profit, and if it still go against you by 1 pip, it will automatically minus, so they will subtract it from your balance. But if you go in your favor and it close like this now, Are you getting it now? You automatically get the $1 as a profit. PIP is what we use to calculate our profit and loss in forex market. As you can see it here, this is what I'm reading. Yes, PIP is what we use to calculate our profit and loss in forex market. You should know this. So that is simple about PIP. So now we're going to talk about loss size. Is there, you know, okay, now this $1 is a big money. This one PIP, as you can see it as a 1 PIP, so now as you can see it as a 1 PIP, so now as small as it is. So what will now make it to be money is what's called loss size. Depending on the loss size you are using, I will take time to explain all these things to you. For instance now, if you are using a bigger loss size like 100 loss size, this only 1 PIP now will give you $1,000. But if you are using 0.01, it will give you 10 cents of dollar. Don't worry, I will later take my time to explain that to you. I get my point. So I'm not, in fact, I will not explain much about it. If you want to know more about it, you can try it out for me, maybe for one-on-one mentor as in coaching or any for question. But I will still talk briefly about it when we go to the lot size. Lot size is what is the size of the, as in what we buy. Okay, don't worry, I will explain it better when I go to this topic now. You know it, because without this lot size, your trading is nothing. There's no way. You get it now. So with this and this now, we turn to the. So this is our second topic now. The lot. What is a lot size? Lot size is the standard unit size for trader, whether they are independent or institutional. We have institutionals that trade forex, yes. Institutional, that's why, as you yourself knows that institutions like banks, all these cooperative are the people that trade the banks. So that should not be a strange word to you. What is a lot? What do you understand about this thing that I just read? As a standard unit. For instance, now let me use one thing as an example. What makes a crate of egg? What makes a crate of egg is egg in 30 pieces, right? Generally, everyone knows that 30 pieces of egg makes one crate. That is talking about unit. That crate of egg is all about unit. Do you get it? So now in the forex market now, we are talking about the unit, lot size. Do you get it? Sorry, lot size, unit. So now in the forex market now, before you could buy each currency pair, you have the unit size of such currency pair. And that's why in my previous video I talk a lot about the brokers help. Brokers help to us, the retailer traders. If not, just like for instance now, a crate of egg. Do you get it? Before we could buy it, let's use a crate of egg as an example in forex market. Before we could buy a crate of egg in a forex market, means that we have a capital that will be enough to buy the whole 30 pieces. Do you now get it? And let's assume that a crate of egg is a piece of egg is 1,000 naira or $1,000. I will have 30 pieces of egg. Means that before you, a retailer trader like you and I, we buy a piece of egg in financial market. We buy an egg in financial market. We need $30,000 to buy a crate of egg. So this is where broker come to make it easy for us. So I've talked about this before. So let me just go straight to what more deep to this lot size. Type of lot size. We have nano lot size. This is below 1000 units. Nano is just like a pipette in the pip. Do you get it? Nano. Many brokers do not allow nano. They don't allow nano lot size. Yeah. Many brokers, like all the brokers I've used, they don't allow that nano lot size. Nano will be as in even like as in your 1 pip of nano will be 0.01. It's not even up to cents in dollar. Yes, 1 cent. Yes, it's up to cents. So it's just like it will not be 1 nano, 1 pip of nano. That's what I tell you in my in the first topic of pip, that is lot size that makes pip to make sense, and without and also pip makes the lot size to make sense. Now, if you are using nano, this is number 1 of this type of lot size. If you are using nano now, nano lot size, your 1 pip, that 1 pip that we talk about as your profit data, if you are using this first nano lot size, what you'll be having is 0.01 cents dollar. Do you get it now? 0.01 cents dollar. Cent. Do you get it now? It's not up to $1. Do you now get the logic now? So macro, the micro lot is 100 units. When you are using a micro lot, we have micro lot of 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.10, 0.1, 0.10, so on and so forth. Do you get it now? For instance, now that your 1 pip profit that we make in our first topic, so that your 1 pip profit, so with macro lot size of 0.01, so your profit will be equal to 0.10 cents. Do you now get it? 0.10 cents. I don't think you are getting it right. 0.10 cents. Then come to mini lots now. The third one, mini lot, is 10,000 units. Do you get it now? With mini lots now, if you let's assume you are using mini lot size, that your 1 pip that you gain in our former in our first topic that we said you profit $1 1 pip. So now with this mini lot size, if you are using mini lot size, so of mini lot size 1, now means that your one pip gain, so now will be $10. Have you now seen it? Will be $10. Will be $10. Yes, will be $10. So now let's assume you are using standard lot size, the fourth one, the standard lot size, which is 100,000 units. Without your profit of 1 pip, if you are using standard lot size, your profit of that 1 pip will be, if you are using standard lot size 1, that is yes, standard lot size 1, that will be around 10. Yes, I think 10. Yes. So your profit will be, your profit of that $1 pip will be $100. Are you surprised? Have you seen that 1 pip is very big money, depending on your lot size? We have double lot. Do you get it? Let's say double lot. Now have double lot size, and even a lot size of, let's say you use lot size of 200. even a lot size of 100 instead of that 10 now. If you use lot size of 100 on this standard lot, but you should know that you are over risking your this thing, over leveraging your this. How will I put it? It's not as it's built, but let me just use it as an example. So let's say on this lot size now you are using. Let's say you have $200,000 in your account, and you want to trade with a lot size of 100. Let's say with a standard lot size of 10, your one pip will be $100. Then a standard lot size of 100 now, your one pip will be that your one pip that you profit so on this our first topic will be automatically $1,000. You get it now? I will give more example about it so you understand fine. So note, the higher the lot size, the higher the profit or loss in financial market. So don't only look if you trade this trade. If you take this one trade and you go in your favor, you will profit, you have gain of $1,000. But as you think the positive side of it, do well as well to think the negative side of it, because if it still go against you, you will still lose the same money. That's why the note says the higher the lot size, the higher the profit or loss in financial market. Is this sound good to you? Do you understand anything at all? Have you seen that this today's video is very, very important? Yes, it's very, very important. It's very, very important for you to know as a forex trader or beginner, because this is where a lot of people blow their accounts. This is where a lot of people, because of they don't know how to use lot size, they blow up their entire money, entire savings. So that's why I always advise, learn first before you begin to. This forex market is not a market of becoming quick rich. You want to be rich without learning in details. Be assured that you will end up losing money. So let me just give you a little example about lot size so you will understand more. So let me give more example. So as you can see, now look at this my table. In this my table now, you see account balance, name, lot size, profit or gain in pip. Are you getting it now? First, let's say you have that number one. Let's say you have a $100 account. So normal this thing for the $100 is nano, because for it to be more safe, for it to be safe, so that your money will be protected. Do you know why people lose money so much in forex trading? Is that I want to become rich quick. Yes, that's why so many people lose money in forex trading. People lose money because everybody is in haste to become millionaire in forex trading, which is not so. That is not how it should be. Are you getting it now? That is not how it should be. So that is why many people are losing money. So without wasting much of our time, so when you have a $100 account, the normal loss to use is the name of loss size you should use is nano, and the loss size will be 0.001. So if you go in your profit or against you in one pip, it will be 0.0 cents, 0.01 cents. It's not up to this thing, 0.001 cents. Just like with that you are in Nigeria, just like a 0.001 1 kobo. Yes, just like 0.01 kobo. That is what the 0.01 cents means to us here in Nigeria. You now get it. So let's say you have a $1,000 account balance. The normal lot size name you should use is macro. The micro lot size. And if you want to place a trade, the normal lot size you should choose is 0.01 to be more safe. So if you go in your favor or against you by 1 pip, so you'll be gaining or losing 0.10 cents. 0.10 cents. I think 0.10 cents in Nigeria now, as I'm speaking now, as per today, 26th of October 2023, it should be around that is I think dollar is 1,000 divided by 10, that is around 100. This is their own 10 cent now. This cent of dollar now in Nigeria is 100 naira, equivalent to 100 naira in Nigeria. Have you seen it? So now let's assume you have $10 account, $10,000 account. Sorry, $10,000 account balance. So the normal lot you should use for this account size is what called mini lot. And mini lot, if you want to trade, what you choose, what you will set your lot size to. You see lot size, I will do when we go to our practical when we go to our practical stage. I want to take my time to teach you what you need to know before I go to the practical stage. I will do the video on a platform and you see where the lot size is located on your platform. So whenever you want to place a trade, this is where you go now. So and you choose 1.00 lot size. Now if you go in your favor by 1 pip or against you by 1 pip, so you'll be profiting or losing $10 in just a 1 pip. Have you now see it? Mini lot size of, as if you are using account balance of $10,000, the normal lot size you use is mini lot size. And if you want to trade on your platform, what we choose to choose the right lot size is 1.00 lot size, which means if you go in your favor or against you by 1 pip, so you'll be losing $10 straight ahead or profiting $10 straight ahead. Have you now seen that $1 pip we are talking about, that we talk in our first topic? Have you now seen that it's a big money? Only that 1 pip is a big money, depending on your lot size. You can see, I write a note after is that the bigger the lot size, the bigger the profit or loss. So let's assume you have $100,000 account balance. The normal size lot size you should be using is standard lot. And on your trading platform, if you want to place a trade, normal lot size to choose is 10.00 lot size. 10.00 lot size. Let's assume that it go in your favor or against you by 1 pip. You will be profiting $100 or losing $100. Just that your 1 pip you have to, okay. Not in our first topic now. We talk about you can backward it. Go back to that first topic. We talk about you buying Euro USD at a price of 1.05223, and your market close at 1.05233, which means that you have profit of 1 pip. So this is your 1 pip now, bringing it to the lot size where you convert it to the money. So now your 1 pip now with your standard lot size is $100. And for those that are watching from Nigeria, you know that is a big money. That $100 now in Nigeria is around 120,000 naira in our country here. Yes, in Nigeria now. As for today, 26th of October 2023. Go and check. So now, and some people used to overuse their lot size. Like some people will have this $100,000 account, and they will see use a lot size of 100.00 lot size, and one pip of this 100.00 lot size will be $1,000. If e go in your favor or go against you by one pip, it's $1,000. Do you now see it's a big money? So that is how lot size works. That is how lot size works, and this is where I will stop for today's video. I believe it's helpful. I believe you learn something different. If so, don't forget to subscribe. Then comment on the comment section the next topic or what you want us to talk about, or for any question. Or if you now want one-on-one mentorship, so you can always try to reach out to me. In my previous video, I drop a Telegram channel link that you can join and reach out to me, or you can drop it on your comment section. I will always go there to check and to answer any question. So till next video, I will see you next video. Till then, remain blessed.